Te whānau, if you're new here, tēnā koutou, tēnā koe. My name's Caleb, and alongside my wife, Jackie, we run a Māori pakihi or a Māori business here in Aotearoa and create content online. And in today's video, we are learning another waiata, or another song. This waiata is, I would say it's pretty popular. I haven't heard it sung recently, but I used to sing it a lot at kura, at school, like the other two songs. Well, most of the songs I'm going to teach you are all songs that I've sung at kura or at school. And this one we used to sing for pōwhiri. For those of you who don't know what a pōwhiri is a welcoming ceremony that is done at a marae. It consists of a few things, a karanga, some have a wero, there's whai kōrero or speeches, formal speeches, and usually, or no, not usually, all the time after you have someone who stands and speaks, the rōpū or your whānau will stand up and sing a song for you. On some occasions you would have whānau out the front who would be doing haka or haka pōwhiri to welcome on the manuhiri. However, when I was at kura, this song was used in place of a haka. Yeah, we used to sing this one all the time. And to be honest, it was my favourite waiata. I used to love hearing all the boys sing it, because especially when we were in the mood to sing, you had all the boys singing their parts and it was loud and it was inside the whare nui. And if you've been to Te Aute and you've been inside te whare o rangi, you would know the scale of that whare and how massive it is being amongst all of those whakairo. It's an experience. So that's the song we're learning today, me te whānau. It's called Utaina and it's a welcoming song. It is also a haka, but like I said, we'll be doing the waiata version or the song version. So how we do it in every other video, I will sing the song first and then we'll break the kupu down, explain what the song means, and then go over any difficult parts. Firstly though, for all of our whānau out there who want to learn how to play it, the chords we're playing are C major, or the pretty chord that one of my cousins like to call it. So we're playing in C major, and then it goes up to A minor, and then we go into D minor, A, C, yep, D minor, and then into G, back to C major. So a lot of waiata that I sing will have that same pattern using the major chord. So yeah, anyway, here we go. Toia ki uta kete takotoranga Hiki nuku Hiki rangi I have to be a bit quiet because our darling is currently having a nap. That's the waiata. Very, very short. We usually go over it twice. The song, or the meaning of the kupu, which should be right here. So, Utaina mai ngā waka o te motu. What you're saying there is load up the waka. Load the waka of the island. Ngā waka o te motu. Toia maira ki uta, ki te takotoranga. So that's saying toia mai. So toia is to pull. So toia mai, pull towards me. Toia mai ngā waka. So pull those waka towards me. Ki te takotoranga. So to their resting place. Takoto means to rest. So that's what you're saying. Ki te takotoranga. Hiki, nuku, hiki e, hiki, rangi, rangi e. Now, nuku is always a reference to papatua nuku, so under, and rangi is always a reference to rangi, rangi nui, the sky. This could be referencing the hoi, or the paddles. So whenever you row a waka, you'll always have, I don't know the correct terminology, but there's always like a rangatira on board who's directing how people row. And there's a part where you would usually go hoi, or it could be something like hoi kite rangi, where you would lift up the hoi and the paddle would be pointing to the sky. And that part, hiki, nuku, hiki e, hiki, rangi, rangi e, that's talking about the hoi nuku going down, so I guess it would be like paddling, and then hiki rangi is bringing them up. Tēnā rā koutou, tēnā rā koutou katoa, so welcome, welcome, welcome to you all. Basically, this song is a welcoming song. Whenever you go on to a marae for a pōwhiri, you are likened to a waka arriving on the shore. So when you hear the song from the haukainga or the tangata whenua, so the people of the land, us saying this is pulling you, the manuhiri, onto our shore to rest, to takoto, where we welcome you. That's kind of the real basic version. I'm sure there's someone who'd be able to explain it much better, and there's probably a much longer pūrākau or a longer story that goes with this waiata, but to my knowledge, that's basically what the song is. Hopefully that makes sense. So now let's get into the more complicated parts of the waiata. For some it might even be the note C major. So yeah, I don't really know how to explain that quickly, but anyway. Oh, no. So difficult parts, it's probably the echoes. There's some echoes in there, so when you go Utaina mai ngā waka, ngā waka o te motu, Toia mai rā ki uta, ki te takotoranga. There's some echoes in the waiata. I forgot a couple when I sung it, but it goes Utaina mai ngā waka, ngā waka, ngā waka o te motu, Toia, Toia mai rā ki uta, ki te tako toranga, hiki nuku, hiki nuku, hiki e, hiki rangi, rangi e. Depending on who teaches you, there is a whole lot of different versions for this waiata. And the way we did it at Kura, that last part, so it goes, some people go hiki nuku, hiki e, hiki rangi, rangi e, some do that, but the way we sang it was hiki nuku, hiki e, hiki rangi, rangi e, te koutou katoa, and then you would usually go, so koutou katoa, back around. Utai, if you wanted to, you could take up the note. Utaina mai ngā waka. But that's pretty much it. It's a real simple song. It's got a lovely message, used mostly in pōwhiri or as a song to welcome manuhiri or guests. And yeah, that's one way to play it. There's many other versions, but there you go, te whānau. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you got any value out of this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your whānau, and I will catch you all in the next video. Cheers! Peanutty. I forgot to intro Peanutty again.